Hello students, I Saurabh Avasthi, faculty of Mount Literacy School, have already explained the summary of this chapter, the last lesson of class 12th English. And now student, I am going to give the character sketch along with the introduction of the chapter once again of Mr. M. Hamill and Franz. So let's begin with the brief introduction of the chapter along with the character sketch of Mr. M. Hamill and Franz. So let's begin. So here the Prussians forces under Bismarck attacked France in 1870. All the Germans stood by Prussia and France was defeated. The French district of Alsace and Lorraine passed into Prussians' hands. The new Prussian rulers disallowed the teaching of French in the school of these two districts. The French teachers in these schools were asked to leave. This story describes students the last day of one such French teacher in his school, though he knows he has been transferred and will no longer remain in his old school. He gives his last lesson to his students with so much devotion and sincerity. The story brings out the pathos of whole situation and also depicts the quiet dignity of French teacher named Mr. M. Hamill. So finally students, this story is all about the subject which is going to be changed in the school now, because French language is going to be changed into German language now. Okay students, now let's begin with the character sketch of Mr. M. Hamill, the teacher of French. M. Hamill was a true Frenchman, teaching at Alsace for 40 years. He had become a part of its people. He was an honest teacher. He did not blame his students alone for poor learning. He also held himself responsible for not teaching properly in the school. Actually, students, he was very patriotic as he appealed to his countrymen to hold fast to their mother tongue to be free from the Prussians. According to him, the French language was the most beautiful, the clearest, and the most logical language in the world. He urged on his countrymen to guard it and never forget it. He was deeply attached to the school and all his students. However, he was very brave and strong. He was really regretful for not making sincere efforts to teach French to his countrymen. At the end, he became so emotional that he could not speak, and he wrote on the board, "Vive la France," which means "Long live France." So this was the character sketch of Mr. M. Hamill. Now we will study about the character sketch of Franz, the student. Here Franz was a very young boy living in the Alsace district of France. He had a layman's attitude to studies. At the beginning, we find him feeling tempted to escape his school. However, we also come to know his inner strength of character. When the overcomes that temptation, here now we come to know his patriotism and love for his teacher. After he comes to know about the sad news of the new order, according to which teaching of French had to be replaced with German. He is shocked to know that was Mr. M. Hamill's last lesson. Okay, so this was all about Franz, the little boy who was a student. Now let's begin with the question answers of this chapter so that you can be prepared for your examinations. So first question is, why do you think was little Franz afraid of being scolded? So in answer, as I told you in the summary that Franz was given a homework related to the participles and he was unable to complete it. That's why while reaching to school he was afraid that sir will scold him. That's why he was afraid. Secondly, he also started late for the school that morning. So this was about the fear of being scolded by Mr. M. Hamill. Okay, now what can be the matter now? Says Franz. Why do you think did he make this comment? So here this answer is related to the bulletin board which was near the town hall, which always used to give bad news related to the war. So this was all about the what can be the matter now. That means related to the question. Now the next question, that who was Watcher? What did he ask Franz and why? How did Franz react? So here Watcher was a blacksmith and he asked Franz that why he is hurrying so quickly to the school. And here Franz thought that the blacksmith was making a fun of him, so he ran to the school and reached there breathless. Okay, now the next question. What three things in school surprised Franz most that day? So here M. Hamill was wearing his fine Sunday clothes. Second thing, whole school seemed quite strange and solemn. And third thing, that the villagers were sitting in the class quietly at the last benches. So the next question now. Why had the villagers come to school that day? How did they look? The villagers had come there to thank Mr. M. Hamill for his 40 years of faithful service, and they were also sorry that they had not gone to school more, and they were sitting quietly and looked sad. Okay, now the 10th question, that means the next question. How did Franz react to the declaration, "This is your last French lesson"? So here Franz was surprised and shocked, and now he came to know that why there was silence in the school, why the people were there in the class, and why Mr. M. Hamill was wearing his fine vest dress that day. Okay, how did M. Hamill behave as the last lesson came to an end? So, students, this is the last question for today's session, and the answer is Mr. M. Hamill stood up in his chair. He looked very pale and tall. He wanted to say some parting words, but something choked him. Then he wrote, "Vive la France," on the blackboard with a piece of chalk. Then he stopped. He leaned his head against the wall. Without a word, he made a gesture to the students with his hand to permit them to go to their home from the school. And he was very sad. And Vive la France means live long France. And then the class was over. So thank you for today. Now we will meet again with a new topic, new chapter in the new video. Till then, study hard. Thank you so much.